Hello, year four. This is another lesson on classification of animals. This is quite an important part of our science topic, and it's perhaps not the most easy part, so that's the reason we're having a second lesson doing that. What I'd like you to do is, on some paper today, have a go at copying out this classification key with the lines and the questions in the same places. And what I want you to do is draw the animals you can see here in the boxes on your piece of paper. So you've got to follow the key to find which animal goes into which place. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 animals. What I also want you to do is use some research skills in case the words like antennae that you don't know. Also to find the names of some of these animals if you don't know them already, and you can use the features that you've studied from the grid to help you make sure that you search for the right animal. And when you've done that, you can send me a photo. So you're just following the grid to find the right place for the right animal. So the first one is here. Okay, has the animal got legs? Let's have a look. Well, can we see any legs in the picture? If the answer is no, we're going to go that way. If yes, we're going to go that way. So in this case, we're going to go no. Has it got a shell? Does it have a shell? If it has a shell, put it here, there if it doesn't. If you think, don't know what that means, I don't know what a shell is, then it's time to use the search engine, some research skills that we've done in computing this week. And then when you know what shell is, then you can answer the question a bit more clearly. You can go this one, for example. Has the animal got legs? There you go. Does it have a shell? Okay, there we go. If it has got legs, does it also have wings? No. Has it got more than 8 legs? So you follow those questions, put the right animal in the right box, and try to write the name of the animal underneath the picture that you draw. You're welcome to colour those as well if you want to. Not necessary, but you can if you want to. As long as you get all the animals in the right places with the names, that's going to be totally okay. Thanks very much. Good luck.